You go marry me, yo. Eh? Today. You go marry me, yo. Today. Thank you, Easy Beats. Thank you.
You go marry me,
You go marry me, yo.
Now by force now.
My brother, see, like play. What will they talk? Let me think when we say they happen, they worry everybody. Plenty people keep quiet and they kill them. Now, what we go do now? Be say every Friday, or guy here you go they come back, come advice on top of relationship issue. Every Friday, you go they come. Sometimes chooks go full on for body because chooks is about somebody. That
guy. Chooks they share your experience. All is for the progressive of the movement.
Because what if chicks they tell us about a back of a camera, not know. So therefore, some of them when they say get issues, relationship issues, when they say we go like make a guy here in chook eye on top and make we discuss them, give you advice of what you go do. If you send your email, go at Catherine like KATHERINE at nigerianinfo.com, or you send them to my email nedu@wazobiafm.com or nedu@wazobiatv.com. Send them, go there, so that we go read them, again, you go come back, we go discuss and give you advice with any relationship issue. If your husband don't tire you, tell us.
Anyone, if you need to wipe outside, feel free to talk to me.
Hashtag outside wiping.
Outside wiping. Hashtag outside wiping. You feel hashtag it is okay.
Anyway, when I welcome back on top of the night show, we don't get to ladies when we say we go follow this course. Rita, how are you? Rita, just sit down, cold, they catch up.
You know, say no cold, they catch am. Leave am. No cold, no they catch am again.
Oh, they catch Rita.
Hauwa don't come. Hauwa where he come prepare.
Hauwa come prepare. She carry sweater for nobody.
I like that you are. I like how you they look. Hauwa,
sister, thank you very much.
All this Hausa movement.
Well, welcome to the night show.
Iya me. Kuyare san kiri onge ase rontro.
Bakra yandina.
She don't break so.
Well, welcome on top of the night show. Now, quickly, you get things where chooks and don't come out. Organi don't come out. The organi go say come back. Basically, what will they try to talk about today? Now, relationship day, be today. Now, waiting be because plenty people they feel on top relationship matter, on top marriage matter, who you go marry, who you go date.
Waiting be the kind person where you want follow.
You understand?
Waiting you define inside man.
Waiting be that way you define inside man. When you say if you see him,
you could just know say this not the kind person I want to marry.
The person I want to marry. Rita, I'm going to start with you. You don't marry, so. Because
waiting be that thing where your husband tell you that time, where make you agree.
Where make you agree.
Say you want marry.
Before you marry, what you look for men. When you come marry, waiting you see. Now waiting you they look for now you get.
No.
So what you be they look for when you marry?
Well, I've been following those categories of ladies who like tall, slim, dark. But I can't reach one point. My mother actually make me understand, say, not be all about fine man. Not be all about man we get money. Because sometimes if I look my daddy, they look, I want husband will be like my father. He tall, slim, fine, another body. I don't form when they born me, you know, add weight, you know, just that same fine body. Now take carry. So my mommy one day come because when I tell her, say, mommy, don't they reach time where your pikin go waka o. She say, my pikin, if you want marry, no look for man where get money o. Sometimes not be all about money. Look for humble man.
Humble.
Humility. That is humility.
Humility.
Yes.
Humility.
Man will get good character. Man will go fit talk about you even when you know they. In presence of him family, in presence of him friends. And I try. I can't carry, I enter markets.
Now you look for. Hey!
I like this market. Now I carry, I enter market. What do you mean?
Now I buy something for market. She must look. If you want to go by,
you write your list down before you go market.
You know what right list?
You
know waiting they carry you go market.
You go right.
No. Okay, continue. Me
too, I carry, I enter market.
Okay.
As they search, I search. Not being be the first person wake up, not being be the second person wake up, not being be the third person.
Okay.
But now, part of it, my mama tell me. Now I get put for house.
So your husband now they humble.
He's humble.
No, so not only humble you look.
If I know, but you see, character.
You know, say that thing when Chooks talk again, character. Define this, your character where you they talk.
Oh,
apart from humble.
you see, character.
Go, they catch him.
I did fine.
Esther, bring that rapper. Give me that rapper. Bring that rapper.
I did fine.
Bring rapper for me.
I did fine.
Oh, leave him. You did fine. Okay.
No, she did okay. How you sit down here and say she can't cool?
I did see her for him body. I want to weapon in body.
Why your eye enter in body?
Sorry. Continue. It won't new. Sorry.
This one no jello.
Sorry.
Leave him. He don't marry. I don't
Continue.
marry.
Leave him.
Character dey in so many forms.
Okay.
Not be sometimes, you know, when you dey house, like me, before I marry him, I dey go visit him. But I know they wash cloth. I know sabi do eye service. I know they wash cloth.
Okay.
Say I come on Saturday now after work, then cloth they say I go carry cloth. I know they wash. And God no say till now. I say I marry and so where they house now they do wash laundry.
Hey?
So you wash your cloth too?
If they wash my cloth, they wash my picking clothes.
If they wash your...
And you know say some men, the thing where you start from boyfriend and girlfriend, you go continue for marriage. So now be another thing when me say if I learn.
Okay.
Make I no start with it, I no fit finish.
Okay. So now the kind of advice where you they keep women outside.
Yes, so.
Una they yes, so all
No
these
start with it, no
jump
fit finish.
ladies for outside. No
When
start
you go
with
their
it,
house, you wash
know
plate.
fit finish, oh.
Wash plate now because you want make him marry you. You wash clothes because you want make him marry you. Because when pikin start to come, the stress go plenty.
You no go fit.
You no go fit do
you go
everything.
leave pikin go they cry, go they do this
Which one you want
Quarrel
do?
go come dey
Quarrel
house.
go come dey.
Now, so as you don't marry him now, he gets anything when he be say you they see for him body now. When he be say
You not see.
you not see
Before.
Yes, now. It
like what be the things that you they see?
make I think one. Sometimes if you do am, you go pay me.
You could they climb your body.
But I go just use my brain. You know, if you want to make the marriage work, you just have to put your head down.
You be very wise woman. I like your style.
So tell me what be that thing?
Before, you know, they come back late. They do not take them that way.
No.
Because don't take it that way.
I don't think they do.
Yeah, what I do now? Continue.
Some people go say, if man they come back late, that means say, get what they see for outside. But God knows say my mind they clean.
Okay.
Because if you start to think of all those things, you don't put trouble for your marriage. When me reach one point, I can't call in Yoga for office. I say, Oga.
How you take get in your number?
In Yoga know me, I know Yoga now. I say, Oga,
Madam, you know you see, oh.
me, I want to find out. It is true.
Like when one finish, okay, I'm not
I not do that one. I said, please, I want to find out.
Okay.
Now you they keep my husband reach this time, or now something else they keep him.
May we know.
Oga say na work, but not be every day.
Okay.
So as Oga tell me say na work, my mind calm down.
Okay.
So any day where Oga won't give a extra work,
He go call you.
he go call me. I am coming back late today, oh.
Che.
My mind go calm down.
But what if not be just office work in they do? In get other outside PP. You understand? Where in the runs.
Hostel.
When the hostel, you know, as a one, you know, you have to. He
So
know,
balance
tell
things
me.
out in
he
the
go tell
family.
you.
He go tell me.
Of
Okay,
course.
so now that kind of communication.
Communication.
Una get.
Yes.
Okay, our man will come to you now. You are a very young, fine girl. You never marry. Our market be outside.
Kati, market. You take away, you see the single girl I they see these days. Yeah. Hey, well, I give example.
Continue.
They
You go
say,
say continue. You won't hear what you go say continue. Your eye don't lay this hour, but this is. Wait, continue.
no, Kati, if not that one, married men, me don't even try come near me. I'll go burn your cable from here till eternity.
You don't hear, so they do. You don't hear.
I know. You don't see my wife?
No.
Have you seen my wife?
Your wife, now she said no be small. No, I don't
Leave
know
am.
Christian. Yeah, Christian.
I dey look my eye there on top. I dey look am.
Yeah, Christian.
Continue.
Kati, waiting single girls they see these days, it's not easy. From the man where go ask me, say, may I buy an iPad, like say Dangote na my papa.
He did your body, sha.
Man say, maybe you buy an iPad.
He say, not even just, he say, Hauwa, you're coming back to Nigeria. I say yes. He say, I need a favor. I say, you said you need iPad. I say, okay, let me send you my account details so that I will buy it when I'm coming back. He said, no, I need you to sow a seed. I said, brother, when did you become a pastor? Am I offering? Am I the only congregation you have? Because happy that kind of rubbish. I tell them that nonsense. Just they go.
What do you look for in a man? We want man.
When we did secondary school.
I don't tell me tall down handsome again.
Right now, when we did secondary school. Remember that time when they read Mills and Booms?
Those things follow spoil girls.
We not read Peseta again, no. Every by love.
And they wait for the man for house. And they look for the house. Where the house they come from. Look at the rest.
And those guys, they know they wear shirts. For some reason, they know they wear shirts.
They always day far.
And if they wear shirts, now linen. When you say you go see for, they'll pour water on top.
You remember I call Claire? Remember Hints?
Hints magazine.
Well, I see what people they see. The spirit minister to me, calm down, calm down.
Now your eye begins seeing different.
So if I see fine guy, I run the opposite direction.
So not be fine guys you look for. So what you can't look for inside man? Where you go make you say, okay, now this guy, I go stay with this guy.
Maybe that Jalo man.
Yellow. I know do. I want somebody that is real. Somebody that if we started from the mattress, remember good old days and we are happy. Somebody that me and you will just sit down, throw a leg. If today money no day, we drink garri together. Tomorrow if money enter, we go do 3 dinner course meal. Where we use the fucking knife and hello, how you doing, my baby? I say, baby. So as the thing they swing, you know, today life like this, life like that, we fit adjust.
So somebody where they real. So if you are real now, I feel there with you now. I won't go on. If I want to mess now, I will not do like this.
And I'll do my own practice.
Because it go good. Because you go.
Neru don't use yourself for this example. Say if Jacob or if Emeka, don't use yourself.
No, I know why. Because I know somebody when he be say, now my friend in here and the wife, I no go lie give you. I no go lie give you. If in the watch right now, yeah, in wife know his mess. No, not be play. His wife know him mess. My husband not mess.
Messing competition.
Your husband they mess, them too they mess. They use mess. You know the person goes me say, give me beat. Tum. Tum tum.
Which kind of food in the shop where they mess in here?
Somebody that is very real. Person where, and then my family. In short, I pray say in my house I go marry. In parents they are alive, so I go enjoy them. Cause all that mentality, so you go hear girls go say, I hope my mother-in-law is there.
No be play. Sorry to cut it short. When I did school, go and get what been did that time when I did school. Chidima, she thought say if she go marry me, say she go first kill my mother. Not be play. God in heaven knows I know the lie.
Person tell you that kind
yes. Anybody will go Madonna that time. No, will be my friend.
So
you know.
You can't still get mine down the relationship. You take off.
Now what for you? My mother why cherish.
Okay.
Continue.
The man, even die or anything. I just want somebody that is real.
Where could yours day normal?
Just day normal. I don't want
remember the good time and the bad time.
I don't want extraordinary wahala beg. Somebody that is just today.
So the men when they follow you now,
yeah.
Single girls, single men when they follow you now, which kind of experience you don't get with them?
When I men, I beg if you want lie, men I try lie well. Eh? They don't sabi lie, and then they want fake girls. See, my hair na natural hair. I know when they fix any, I know get all
your
that.
Your face na natural.
Everything.
You say you just say no, they wear bum.
No, Rita touch.
Rita touch. Let me. Can I touch? Let me touch now. Well, how? Okay, how I want to know now? See, not the real bum.
Carry my hand, go there.
No,
carry my hand, go.
Rita,
use my hand, do like this.
Rita, na fake, I be na real.
Na real.
Teacher, touch my hand, Mercy. Touch that hand where they touch her, Mercy.
No, but
no.
Katim, it's entire me. Una guys, you say you want girl, you say you are a Christian, you want something. You know, just they lie. You talk say you forget your wallet. Follow me, go call house. I no get house. I dey live under bridge where you come meet me for road. Say you like me.
You don't
know. No, trouble.
But another thing when he be say I would like talk, we say, well, Moko leave am. Make we buy small chicken bread for you. When we come back, we go talk. Doctor, here you go say come back. Okay, here you go say come back. Make it come give us round up advice. Give men,
that
give
women.
You want
talk. You like
I go talk that thing. You know that thing I want talk. When I come back, we go talk. DJ,
you go forget.
I don't go forget. It is